Hey, what's up, everybody? Rapattack here, and I have another merch review that I've been wanting to do for a while, but I just haven't had the chance. Um, this is the Team Liquid Naruto collaboration merch. Very excited about this one. The joggers and the hat is what we're going to be reviewing today. And for the stream review today, we're going to be doing a stream review on Liquid Alixxa, right? Liquid Alixxa, one of the newest Team Liquid additions, right, to the team. So very excited to go over that. So let's get right to it. All right, so here is the box. I got a box that I came into, and I have bam, and it says Naruto Shippuden, right? Now, I don't know if you guys are Naruto fans, but Naruto has really been popping off. It was always popular, but I felt like once it got brought into Netflix, it just took over. And as you guys know, I'm a teacher, and I've noticed my students Naruto everywhere. Naruto shirts, Naruto backpacks. They talk about Naruto when they're trying to solve problems. They're like, oh, I need to do my math jutsu. Right? So Naruto is just popping off. I even started watching it, and I really enjoy the show. And some of my friends are like super into it, and it's just because it's just a good show overall. But here is the Team Liquid Naruto merch, right? So let's go with the joggers, and I have also the dad hat, right? So let's take a look real quick. The main products that I got, like I said, were the joggers. Let's take a look at the bag. The bag actually has a lot. Whoa, look at this. So it has a full, like a grayish bag, right? And it says Team Liquid, obviously, and with the collaboration of Naruto Shippuden, right? All right, and we have Naruto in the front. Believe it, right? On the back says warning, of course, and the bottom Shonen Jump Naruto Shippuden, right? That's crazy. That's actually really nice. It's like a really nice bag. I need to make sure I open this very carefully. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, actually, it lets you open it really carefully. It's like a Ziploc bag. All right. So let's pull this out. I've been actually wanting to wear these for a long time, but again, life's just been busy. My last day of summer school is tomorrow, so I'm super excited. And I get shoulder surgery finally in about a week. So when I open it up here, pants are nice. We got the orange, right? Orange, and on it says Liquid. It's hard. Let's see if I can get that right there. Yeah, it says Liquid right on those, on the drawstrings in orange. I got the medium as usual. I usually wear medium. Maybe I should get large. Just depends. I'm about 6'1" and sitting right now about 175. Hoping after I'm all healed up, I can get back to like a good 185, 190 and stay there, right? So let's open these bad boys up. They're the cargo jogger pants. And so we have on the left side, we have Team Liquid and Naruto, and we have the orange pockets. We got the symbols, right? Left side. Okay, we also have this on the left side, a bunch of the Naruto, right? Naruto artwork. We got the orange and nothing else in the bottom, right? Typical jogger bottoms. Bottom back is completely back, single side pocket on the back right. Here's the tag. The tag's actually really nice too. That's something that maybe it's worth saving, right? Let me check the feel of it. They feel kind of thick. They're not like sweatpants, okay? They're not like sweatpants at all. The top does feel stretchy, right? And the drawstring, but the actual pant feels kind of like, how do I explain it? Kind of like regular pants, but more comfortable in terms of, like, pretty much they feel like cargo pants, but not as thick. They look like they're thick, but this is actually pretty thin but sturdy. All right, so the thing that I like is the details, the little bit of orange. If it had a lot of orange, I probably would not like these, but the little details of orange is good enough for me. We also have one pocket on each side, two pockets actually on each side, so these look quite nice. These I'm definitely gonna be wearing a lot when I'm going like in casual wear, or if I'm off just with family, when I'm gaming, things like that. And the last thing that we're gonna go over is the hat. The hat, you have the back, the nice Naruto art here, and we have the Team Liquid logo, and it has kind of like a cut, right? Little cut to show with the Naruto theme, and again with the Naruto logo on the hat. So very excited, very nice merch. And then if you look at the bill The build's very nice as well. And in the inside, it has also Team Liquid and Naruto to show the collaboration. All right. So now let's get on over to the streamer review. And again, we're going to be doing Liquid Alixxa. Now, Liquid Alixxa is one of the newer members of Team Liquid, and as a streamer, right, I'm kind of excited to see this streamer because I actually started following her a long time ago. I believe when I started following her and kind of watching her was around when she was averaging about 20 to 30 viewers. I'd say 20 to 30 was what I would see. So I gotta like see her from starting out to where she is now, where she averages anywhere from 800 to about 2,500 viewers, depending upon tournaments, games, whatever she's doing, right? So as a streamer, right? As a streamer, Alixxa, the reason you could see that she made it is the little things, like what drew me to her, right? Do I watch 20 to 30 viewer streamers often? Not really. With her, ironically enough, was that it was when I was super into Fortnite, just like everybody was at one point. Well, not everybody, but people that were at one point. And what ended up happening was I came across just her channel. Like I was just browsing. I always browse like kind of small streamers sometimes. And she was an engineering student. And I noticed, I was like, wow, engineering, that's actually really cool. I'm super into math. My master's is in like mathematics and education, right? And I don't know, I just started watching. I know she was really good. So I was like, okay, I can kind of learn from her. That was at the time I was just trying to pick up from anybody, right? Seeing little things that people did different. Then I noticed like she was very engaging, right? As soon as like you talk in the chat, she was like, oh, welcome, thank you for being here, right? And she had energy. If I had to use one word to describe her, it's energy, right? She just always was energized. It was just like, she also had on the weekends, she had play with viewers, and she had a queue that you'd go in and I actually would play with her. Another funny thing was in Discord, see, I would stream sometimes here and there, and she actually went to my stream once with another person. She said she just saw me streaming because I was in her Discord and said, you know, streaming. And I was actually playing Gears of War at the time, and she actually talked to me in chat, and I was talking to her. It was kind of cool having that conversation in chat, etc. Because nobody watches me, right? Like I don't have anybody watch me. And what ended up happening was I kind of talked to her about why I liked her as a streamer. That the reason I don't make it is I don't have that personality. It's just the truth. I don't have that energy. I have to have people talk to me in order to like be engaged. I'm not naturally engaging, and she is. If you know Alixxa, she talks very like, oh my gosh, like even when we played like the whole Italian thing, I was like, oh, they shot me with a shotgun, or like, oh my gosh, like she always adds the at the end and just energy. And it's like she started saying the later B, right? Later B, and then she's just good at the game. And she always was welcoming. It's weird. Even I noticed that even though she has now, you know, in the thousands types of viewers, there's still a way that she finds the idea. She finds a way to still like greet you, and it's the same type of greeting as when she averaged 20 to 30 viewers. I think that's kind of what separates her, and that's what kind of made her successful in what she's doing, and also being good at the game. And you know, it's just she just has that personality, and that's something that I think a lot of people kind of are drawn to. I was drawn to that, and I was just drawn to that she was a full-time student in college and also doing that as well. For whatever reason, other people were drawn to her, probably for similar reasons as that, but that was the main draw to me, was that she was good at the game and she was an engineering student. And I don't know, I thought that was very interesting. And the funny part is also in her channel, I guess, in that I've been a subject for a long time, and the thing is, I'm considered like the ultimate lurker because I don't talk. I really don't. The most you ever heard me talk was when we play, right? But in chat, I'm never, and I've said this in my other videos, I'm never engaging in chats. I'm more of a lurker. I just like watching, and I watch games to get better at the games. I'm not really one that is like, I want to be in chat all the time. I'm more of like, I'm there to kind of just watch, like, oh, is there anything new, any new meta changes, something that somebody picked up that maybe others haven't picked up, and things like that. So she has a great career ahead of her, and I believe she's going to continue on with school. So again, thank you, Alixxa, for being such a great streamer. I appreciate it, and I'll continue lurking. Thank you, everybody. Have a great night. Thank you.